Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of I Bought a Watch. Don't know if you can notice, but I have recently bought a microphone, which is a good thing too, because 400 of you, yeah that's right, 400 have subscribed to this channel. And I can't thank you enough. I know recently I've been really bad with uploading, regular content. That is hopefully going to change. I'm trying out, I don't know if you can notice now, but I'm trialing out being more natural and just filming me and trying to do everything in one take. So I apologise in advance for, the ums and ahs that will inevitably happen. And, as much as I can, I'll try and edit out any kind of unnecessary pauses. But today's episode, we are going to be looking at a watch that I've recently purchased for a discounted price. I will leave a link in the description below, but just a disclaimer, that is going to be an affiliate link. And I did buy this watch for a slightly discounted price over at the people from LugU. But this is not a LugU. It is on the LugU store, however. It is the Rectangular. Now, what drew me to this company, if you don't know already, LugU are the manufacturers for San Martin, and clearly also Rectangular. Rectangular? I don't know, however you want to say it. You can, scan that QR code. That will take you to the wrwatches.com store, or yes, as I said before, I will leave a link in the description below. Before I get into it, this is a very standard, steel dive San Martin case. Very impressive. I've never come across one before, and it's a nice bit of quality. Nice. Let's get in. Wow, look at that. So you've got first we have a warranty card. Now, unlike most warranty cards, this one has been signed, and that does appear to have been actually written on there. So before me, someone has actually had a look at this piece, which is, I don't know how well they've looked at the piece, but it's at least reassuring in some sense that someone has had a little glance over to check that it is 100% thumbs up quality. Yeah, there you go. This is just the watch store stamp and signature, and it has been dated, and that's a recent date. I really do like Rectangular's logo. It's part of the reason why I picked Rectangular off the LugU store. And look at all that escapement, all those escapement wheels. Cool little bit of branding. This is the book of words. It has an English and Chinese or Japanese. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, no. And what's this? We've also got a 20mm. I don't know why it's 20 mil. In particular, I'm sure you could use it on anything, but it's a, gosh, I don't know how to get this thing open. Oh, there you go. It's a spring bar removal tool. It's pretty nice. And look, this is why it's 20. They've also included 2 extra spring bars. That's nice. Nice little touch. And these, unlike the regular spring bars you get, seem to be of higher quality. I'll pop those back in there so they don't get lost. Now onto the watch. Wow, look at that. You can already see the blue anti-reflective coating on there. Gosh, this is a good looking watch, but we're going to hold off. We're going to start at the strap and move in. Spoilers, move in from the watch. So starting off, we have the hang tag, which says Rectangular, and the logo, and what I would assume is the same on the back. Let's remove that. And then we have a signed buckle that says, not Rectangular, Redune. Not sure what Redune is, but Redune 20. Perhaps. It says Redune there. Perhaps they are the strap manufacturers. I must say, this is there's a lot of advertising on there about how flexible this. I must say, it's a very supple silicon tropic strap. Very, very not too dissimilar from the far more expensive Oris Diver 65 strap. In fact, it's got the same one large keeper, kind of reptilian-esque edging there. Very, very cool. It's also got a quite subtle but nice taper, and that lovely kind of hollowed out backing that would allow breathability, and especially if you went swimming with this. Right, let's get into peeling off some of this plastic. There we go. reveals the beautiful, beautiful watch we've got here. Look at that. This one really is a stunner. And look at this beautiful bead blasted finish. Yeah. They do have this in a couple of other color options. They have a two-tone, which I was very tempted by, or this sand blasted one. And I think being reminiscent of a Captain Willard, or Seiko turtle for that matter, I went for the sand blasted, sorry, not sand blasted, bead blasted version to give a more military look. Now let's hear the bezel. Very nice. Ooh, little playback. I don't know, maybe. Like most of these things, depends how fast you click them. But yeah, no, very nice. Let's check if it lines up. There you go. I would assume that's 120 click, but I will, of course, double check this in the full review. But yeah, that seems beautifully, look at that, beautifully lined up. End of that arrow to the minute marker through that 12 o'clock. The rectangular automatic movement. Yeah, wonderful, wonderful case. Fortunately, no signed crown. That case back. So let me wipe it quickly for you guys. Look at that lovely etched turtle. You see my face? Yep, sapphire crystal. That's in the specs. The waterproof turtle, of course, referencing what it's paying homage to, the Seiko turtle. And stainless steel, I believe it's 316L stainless steel. Yeah, no, wonderful case. And wonderful, wonderful bezel. Let's have a look, closer look. Oh wow, I don't know if you can note, this is a tiny detail I've just spotted out, but that handset is, if you can note, it's brushed. I wish I had a micro lens, but it's brushed in the middle with a polished, high polished chevroned edge on those hands. That's really something special, that. And also around it's reversed around that 3 o'clock date window, where it's high polished with a coarse brushing on that beveled edge. Yeah, wow, I mean, this dial is something else. I love the red accents in that paddle seconds hand and the 150 water resistance. There's a screw down crown, I believe. Yep. Lovely hand winding. Yep, I'll go all into, what you're getting for your money. I should probably get it on the wrist. Let me put that on for you to see how it wears. There we go. Of course, similar to the Oris, it uses the holes already in the Tropic strap as places for the buckle to attach to. And then can't get it in. There we go. Look at that. Wow. What a great looking watch. Oh, I didn't check the lume. Oh, that's probably not coming up on camera, but I can already tell that this one's gonna have quite an impressive lume shot in the full review. Yeah, no, really impressed with that. That's a really good looking watch. Pretty slim profile as well. I imagine it has very similar dimensions to the actual Seiko turtle, but I'll double check that in the little history bit I do in the full review. Yeah, no, beautiful, lovely looking watch. I'm really impressed with this one. Here's a little close up for the thumbnail, and yeah, whoop, camera's falling down. Whoop, even the camera's telling me it's time to end the episode there. But yeah, let me know what you think about these more kind of fluid, where I just talk to you guys about a watch. I think it works well for the unboxing. Maybe in the full review I'll have to be a bit more structured, just so I get all the information in there. But yeah, in the comments below, let me know how it goes. I hope to upload more regularly, and I certainly will if I can, pull off these more fluid reviews or unboxings. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below. Please do like and subscribe. You guys are amazing. And I'll see you again in the next episode. Bye for now.